Hi friends, this is Romy from Romy's Life, and today I'm getting at you with a mini haul from Target. So I went to Target because my oldest son um, ended up getting some money from his uncle, so he wanted to use the money to try to buy a game. And when we got to Target, whatever, he didn't like the games that were there. It's fine when you a kid and everybody give you stuff, so you happen to have a lot of games, so you don't know what to do. Excuse my hair, I've been trying to redo my room. So I needed a new comforter, and I got this new comforter from Target. I already had it on the bed. I can show you guys a picture at the end. And also the new comforter came with two shams, two pillowcases, and these two little I want it all white for the summer because it gets hot. And it comes with these little pillows, two little tiny pillows. They're not too big. They look big in the thing, but in the picture, but they're not that big. So I had this other pillow, Opal House, that's the brand, and this was the last one. This one was $30. I've been eyeing these for a while, but I went and got it because I was like, okay, Julie, I did a yellow moment because I'm trying to save some money, but this was really a yellow moment. I'm probably gonna regret this later, but I do like how it looks. And working from home, I'm all about the aesthetics, how things are looking, how clean things are for me right now, and how organized they are, because it plays a role in my mental health. So I know a lot of people are, they just don't believe on that kind of stuff. I do believe on that because it does bothers me a lot when I see stuff dirty. They're not organized. Like my kitchen is dirty right now. When I get into that kitchen, I'm gonna clean it even if I have to go to sleep at 3 in the morning, because it bothers my mental health and it made me anxious. So another thing that I got was this little ref. I want to put this in my bathroom. This was $10. You just hang it over. I don't have a lot of things in the bathroom, and because I don't have a lot of things in my little master bathroom, and I share the bathroom with my youngest son because he cannot be in the bathroom with nobody else. He's nasty. So because I clean that bathroom a little bit more often, so that's the bathroom that I share with him, and I want to give him a little life. I have a plant right now, a aloe vera plant, and he's doing very well because it's in a closed and dark environment. But and I have candles in there, but I wanted to get one of these. I feel like it will make it look like, give it some light. I have a maple syrup. This is the Target brand maple syrup for my pancakes. I got some, and I'm doing this in my bedroom because, as you know, the kids are out and it's a lot happening in my house, so we're trying to work with these. We got these. I want to try these for the first time, the power case, the flapjack, and the waffle mix. This is the chocolate chip. I've been trying to try these because everybody talk about it and they say they are really good, and I normally get crust steaks. I think that's the name of that brand, and those are very good. I think those are the best ones that I ever tried, but these ones, these people say they're really good even though they're a little bit pricey, so we'll see how they work. I have a scrubber for my kitchen, but let me tell you something. I was trying to find the scrubber, the Scrub Daddy. I have seen it at, what's the name of that store? Meyer, and I didn't get it from Meyer, so I was like, I just gonna think about it, whatever. I gotta let it be. I just kind of let it be. But now the reason why I got this is because I didn't have any scrubbies, and I went to separate stores to try to buy them, and the stores were out. And when I go out and I go to 2-3 stores and I can't find what I need, I go home. I don't try to go to dollar store or like from here, go there. No. If I go to this ABC store to buy something, I just go to that store, because with the fact that we have the virus and whatnot, I don't want to keep going in and out of several stores and bring an illness to my family. So I just go to one, maybe 2 stores. You don't have it, you don't have it. So finally I went to Target and they have these. I said, well, this could help me in case they run out again of scrubbies and I'm unable to find it, so I have something else to use or whatever. They have these bottles of for water, juice, or whatever. I like infused juices and infused bottles. I'm sorry, infused waters. I normally get like oranges and blueberries, or um, lemon and blueberries or blackberries. I mix all of that. Strawberries and cucumbers. I mix all of that, and I make infused water. And sometimes I put like a crystallized drop in there, or like a powder juice, whatever you want to call it, and I drop in there, and I just make it or whatever. So this was 50% off, so it was $7 and some change, and this is supposed to keep your drink cold for a long time. Let me go ahead and open it up. Does not have a straw, so it's a plus. You don't have to be fishing for a straw in there. But right here, you can put ice, you can put your fruits and your things in there. You can keep it cold for a long time. It does have some little papers in here, like a 10% off on a design bottle and whatnot. I will look at that later. Let me show you guys. This is how you will drink it, I guess. This actually kind of like, it don't just pop in there. You have to actually turn it. So yeah, I think for $7 was a nice buy. And also this right here, I like the details because it's kind of like indented on the bottle, so you can feel it. It's kind of cool. Okay, I always need towels. I always need little hand wash or face wash towels, because my other son is the one that clean the hallway bathroom. Even though I like to do cleaning videos, I don't like to do bathrooms, and I feel like bathrooms is a man's job. I grew up in a household where my dad cleaned the bathroom. My mom never cleaned the bathroom. We never cleaned the bathroom. And my dad has one son and two daughters, and the daughters never cleaned the bathroom. So that's the way I was brought up. So I teach my sons how to clean the bathrooms. I clean my own bathroom because my youngest son is 7. So he's learning how to clean the bathroom, and he's getting the hang of it. Once he fully know how to do it, he's going to be cleaning that bathroom. I don't like to clean the bathrooms. So he used these towels to clean the bathroom. He said they are better to scrub the toilet, and that dude get in the nitty gritty. He scrubbed the toilet. He even scrubbed the floors. One day, if he allows me, I will do a video with him that he can show you how he cleans the bathroom. And when he cleans the tub, it be shiny. I mean, he's 15, so he got some elbow grease in there that he can put in there. So I'm obsessed with this color. I'm obsessed with the color mint. So I've been needing one of these. I have several these little ones right here. I don't really mind these because I have several, because they come with the reusable straws. But this one right here, I always get the ones they are soft brittles, and this one's kind of like a rubber type of brittles, and it can last longer and it will be easier to clean. So I got this for $2.58. This was 50% off. So being 50% off, you know, like, okay, that's cool. Like, I'm gonna get it because I probably would have never got it 100%. I mean, on the regular price. But this is like super convenient when you're trying to drink, clean your water bottle. Summer is coming. My kids are in activities normally in the summer, so I have to fill up their water bottles and stuff. And I'm gonna try to get more insulated bottles for that. My youngest had an insulated bottle, and believe it or not, I had it from Old Navy, and somebody stole it in first grade. He was able to go from pre-K to kindergarten, and somebody stole it in first grade. I don't know where's it at. And my oldest had an Under Armour, and somebody stole it when he was in 6th grade. So I stopped sending water bottles to school. We're not gonna do that. So yeah, I got this. Before activities, I gotta send them with something. We have a cutting board because, guys, believe it or not, I broke my cutting board in half. I had a bamboo cutting board, and now it's just flaking. Like, and I'm still using the halves because I didn't want to buy another cutting board. So when I went trying to use the other half, it broke again. I said, you know what? Before I give somebody a piece of wood to eat, let me just throw it out. So I ended up getting this cutting board. It was $10. So hopefully, I think this one's gonna last me a little bit. It feels like a good material. We touched a few ones to make sure that we had the right material because I was with my oldest son. So yeah, I've been needing some baking items because I'm going to make some banana bread. I'm waiting for my bananas to ripen, and I also going to make peanut butter cookies. Yes, your girl is into baking. We'll see. My mother loves to bake, so my mother has a lot of tips on how to bake. But this right here has the cooling rack, it has the non-stick mat, and it also has the tray. All of this was $20. I was to Amazon and they had the cooling rack for $18. They had these $24. I mean, it was crazy. So I was like, I can, like, all together it was like $60. So I was like, oh, this is a lot. Let me go to Target and see how much, you know, they got these over there. It was $20 for the whole set. I don't think it was a bad buy, being $20 or whatever. So I have these from the brand Old XO. A lot of people seems to love this brand, and this is like a stainless steel sink caddy for the kitchen. And what it attracted me to this, I'm trying to open it up so you guys can see. I have a thing for trash. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks in the picture. So the tray on the bottom, you can actually wash it. Okay, let me backtrack a little bit. So you can put this tray on the bottom, right? You put it on the bottom right here. You put your scrubbies right here. You can put your washing, your dishwasher container or whatever in here, right? So you know when you put your scrubby and it's cold, and it's wet, it will drip water. So it will hold the water in here. So you just remove it and you can rinse this out. You can clean the whole thing, and it feels like an awesome condition, so that you can actually last a little longer, and you can actually remove these to wash in here. You see? So I feel like granted it was $20, but you know what? It's something that it can last, because I keep buying the cheap ones to try to organize the sink, and it don't work. It's just a hot mess. So I hope this one really works like it needs to be. And look, it even has a little thing right here that you can pour the water out if it has water sitting here, so you don't have the time to clean it right away. So this is a good, I think it was a good buy. I have some cheap plates for the summer, like when we grilling and stuff and we don't have the chance to go, and I have like regular plates, but I wanted to get cheap plates for when we grilling outside and we are spending time at home, or we cook or whatever, that I can use this for my family. So these plates were 79 cents. They're kind of like a grayish looking, and it's like a little bowl. I can put pasta, chicken, salads in here. I can put more like bigger meals or whatever in here, like hot dogs or whatever, for the kids and myself and whatnot. So I have a few of those. I have 4. They were 79 cents each. So it's not fancy. And I got this one just because I liked it. It has pink, and it has my new favorite color, mint. I love that color. So I can put my little cucumbers to eat or whatever. I love to have cucumbers. I put some lemon and salt or tahini. Good to go. And last, I have this big old container. I just started selling in Poshmark. This is from the brand name Bella. It has a locking lid as well. Here. This is for the brand name Bella. My dog name was Bella. She passed a few years ago from cancer. But I used to love my little dog. She was a Rottweiler, really pretty. So it has a locking lid, and for those that, I don't know if you guys know, but I used to do Poshmark, and I started doing Poshmark since we've been at home quarantining, because it's more, I have more time because I don't have commute to come home. My kids are not in activities and whatnot. So I'm going to be doing Poshmark and see how the time allows it. So I'm trying to keep all my Poshmark stuff in a locked environment. That way, dust, smells, none of that gets to it. So I'm planning to put all of that right here and trying to kind of like keep it away from the kids and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing with that. That's what I got these. I have seen this brand before called Mana or Mana. I don't know where. that was random. Anyways, this is what I got from Target. I spent more than I wanted to because the set was $89. That's what it actually was, the most expensive thing, but everything else was reasonably priced. And I have some water. You guys don't want to see a case of water, so I got some water. And but even though this was about $89 and some change, this came with 2 pillows and the 2 shams case, the two pillowcases, the skirt for the bed, and also the actual comforter, which I've been wanting that because it gets hot in my room because the sun sits on it in the afternoon, so it gets really hot. So I was cleaning the window and stuff to kind of give it a lift because my youngest son has toys in the window. I will show you guys, but I don't want to get he got toys in the window. But yeah, that's all I got. I can't ramble for hours, so this is all I got. I hope you guys have a great day and whatever time you're watching this, and please stay safe out there. And remember, if you like this video and you like more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and share with others. Sharing is caring. Goodbye.